The female orgasm is a deeply intricate experience, blending both psychological and biological factors. No two women experience it in exactly the same way. Orgasms can be triggered by various types of stimulation, including clitoral, vaginal, and erogenous zone stimulation, most commonly the nipples. For many women, orgasm is largely dependent on direct stimulation of the clitoris, a structure with the highest concentration of nerve endings in the human body. The clitoris extends beyond its visible tip, with legs and vestibular bulbs wrapping around the vaginal canal. These bulbs are composed of erectile tissue, which swells with blood when aroused, increasing sensitivity and pleasure. Beyond the clitoris, some women achieve orgasm through stimulation of internal regions, such as the G-spot or cervix. Others experience a blended orgasm, combining multiple pleasure points. Erogenous zones such as the nipples can also heighten arousal. Each nipple contains hundreds of nerve endings, and when stimulated, they send signals to the brain's genital sensory cortex, the same area activated by clitoral and vaginal stimulation. As arousal builds, blood flow increases to the genitals, heightening sensitivity. Heart rate and breathing quicken, and as orgasm nears, rhythmic muscle contractions occur in the vagina, uterus, and anus. These contractions typically last between 0.8 to 17 seconds, varying from woman to woman. During sexual arousal, natural lubrication occurs when the brain signals the vulvovaginal glands to secrete fluids, facilitating penetration. However, factors such as hormonal birth control, pregnancy, menopause, stress, or medical conditions can impact natural lubrication, making intercourse uncomfortable. Although women do not experience seminal emission like men, some women release a fluid from the urethra at orgasm. This fluid, often referred to as female ejaculation or squirting, contains a mixture of urine, Skene's gland secretions, urea, creatinine, and prostate-specific antigen, or PSA. Unlike men, who typically require a refractory period before achieving another orgasm, women can often experience multiple orgasms in quick succession. However, achieving orgasm is not solely a physical response. It is deeply tied to emotions, mental state, and past experiences. Factors such as relationship dynamics, emotional intimacy, past trauma, religious conditioning, sexual stigma, and self-perception can influence a woman's ability to orgasm. Excessive stress, poor mental or physical health, and negative sexual experiences can also create barriers to pleasure. Despite its role in sexual pleasure, orgasm is not required for conception. However, some theories suggest that orgasms may enhance fertility by promoting sperm transport through uterine contractions. Ultimately, female orgasm remains a complex, multifaceted experience, unique to each individual. Understanding the mind-body connection, exploring different types of stimulation, and embracing one's sexuality without stigma can enhance intimacy, pleasure, and overall well-being.